tonic drawer. Pretty simple. But I'm kind of excited. I think I know what's in this one. This is going to be neat. Scalpel. Gulfman tool. Faux leather. Oh, maybe that's actual leather. No, that's man-made. Check that out. Now that's an interesting piece of equipment. Now, I always travel in my truck. I carry a flat bar because flat bar is most handy. I've never seen a flat bar with an edge, multiple edges. So we have a wrench. We have a hook. I guess you could use that for putting up the carcass of a pig. Seems to be pretty sharp though. Pretty sharp. I think I can get it even sharper though. We'll go outside and play with it momentarily. I say play with it, work with it. Interesting. Bar starter. Handy little tool to have in your truck. Yeah, nice addition to the toolbox.